Hi everyone, my name's Elena Menicola. Today I have a homework help video for you guys today, and that's identifying equivalent ratios. So what are ratios in the first place? A ratio is a comparison of two or more numbers that indicates their sizes in relation to one another. An example I have for you is 4 to 3. How to calculate equivalent ratios. So we can either do this by multiplying both numbers by the same number or by dividing both numbers by the same common factor. I have an example problem for you. So are the ratios 4 to 6 and 2 to 3 equivalent? So we can find a common denominator of 3. So 3 goes into 3 once, and then 3 goes into 6 twice. So then once we divide both denominators by 3, we get 4 to 2 and 2 to 1. So then we're going to set up the ratios like fractions. So 4 over 2 and 2 over 1, then we're going to divide that. So once we divide 4 over 2 and 2 over 1, we're left with 2, a whole number of 2 for both ratios, which means that they're equivalent to each other. Another example problem I have for you are the ratios 2 to 1 and 18 to 9 equivalent. So we set up both ratios like fractions, 2 over 1 and 18 over 9. We divide the two fractions, so we get 2 divided by 1 is 2, and then we get 18 divided by 9, which is also 2. So since we get a whole number of 2 for both ratios, we know that they're equivalent to each other. A final example problem I have are the ratios 4 to 7 and 9 to 14 equivalent. So we set both ratios like fractions, 4 over 7 and 9 over 14. We divide the two, and 4 divided by 7 is 0.571, and for 9 divided by 14, that's 0.643. So we know that these ratios are not equal to each other. So that's all the example problems I have, but honestly, like this process is very simple. We just take the ratio, we set it up as a fraction, and we just divide it. So again, 4 to 7, we just set that as over 7, and then 9 to 14, we just set that as 9 divided by 14. And then, like I said, since these decimals were not equal, we know that they're not equivalent to each other. But that's basically the process. And I hope you guys learned more. If you have any more questions, we're free to help you. But otherwise, have a great rest of your week, and I will see you soon.